Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday, May 27. Ayan, tinatanggal niya na yung braid niya. Si Bridie nag-braid sa kanya kahapon. Look at me, Baba. Ayan. You should put,
Ponytail.
not ponytail, clip on here. So you can show your hair down. And si Sak, super excited siya sa kanyang laro. First game, ayan na siya, oh.
Where's my bag?
Suot na siya ng
Mommy.
kanyang uniform for Sapsasa. Huh? I don't know. Where's your bag? Okay, ako maliligo na. Mauna na yung mga boys kasi gagawa pa ako ng snacks nila. Good morning ulit, guys. Ayan, nakaayos na ako. 8:55 na. Yung aking mag-aama, nauna na doon kung saan magpuputi si Sak. Kasi magwa-warm up yun si Sak. Ang first game ni Sak, kasi 3 games sila today. So, yung first game is 10:10 mag-start. So, nandun na sila. Habang ako ay, eto, gagawa tayo ng lunch. Si Sak, ang request niya is Turkish bread, ham and cheese. So, gagawa ko ng ham and cheese and salami. Katulad yung kahapon na ginawa ni Kuya. And also si Jan, aalis din mamaya. So, hindi niya mapapanood yung isang laro ni Sak. Kasi kung maalala nyo, nung pumunta kayo ng Fort Lincoln, hirap kayo magpabook kay Jan para sa kanyang ear infection. So, ngayon yung schedule niya, guys. Diba? Ang tagal. So, ngayon yung schedule niya for ear infection. Mga alas 12 ata ang alis ni Jan. So, hindi niya mapapanood yung pangalawang game ni Sak. Pero yung third, kasi yung third game is hapon naman yan. So, mapapanood niya yun. So, gawa lang muna tayo ng ham. So, meron tayo dito yung white bread na nabili natin sa Aldi and yung natirang Turkish bread. And ako magdadala ako ng tuna. Yung tuna na nasa can. And mayroon ba ako dito? Corn? Wala ata akong corn. Masarap sana kung may corn. Okay. Kuha tayo ng I have ziplock. Yes. Or eto na lang. Dito na lang sa cling wrap. Kuha muna tayo ng kanilang baon. Sabi ni Jan, ang weather daw ay parang tulad kahapon. So, maganda yung weather natin kahapon. Kaya siguro hindi ko dadalhin yung puff jacket ko. Dadalhin ko sana. Pero sabi ni Jan, hindi ko raw yung kailangan today. Kasi yung weather same as yesterday. Si Holly, ang cute sa buhok niya. Di ba nakita nyo kulot? Ang cute-cute ni Holly doon. Okay, tapusin ko lang to guys. Para makapunta na rin tayo doon. Pero maya-maya pa nga yun. 10:10 pa yun eh. So, yung ginawa ko sa Turkish roll, combination of ham and salami, ayan, with cheese. And yung sandwich, eto, ham, and this one is salami. Sa Turkish roll combination. And mamaya, may dinner tayo sa labas. Meron tayong ibang mga kasama. And bago pa lang dinner, pupunta muna tayo sa bounce. Like last year, nung kay Kuya, nag-bounce din kami noon, nung Monday. Monday din ata yun. So, yun yung ganap natin, guys. Today, yan yung schedule natin. Punta ng bounce later. Then, dinner with other friends. Kasi mayroong din na iba pang mga nakasama na kakilala ni Sak. Friend ni Sak, like nila Brock. Yun. And si Jagger nandito din. So, kaya masaya tong game kasi yung mga kaibigan. Si Jagger year 6. Si Brock tsaka si Mitch and si Sak, para silang year 5. So, yung tatlong yon or si Max pa pala. Si Max year 6. So, yung 4, 5, Max, Mitch, Brock, Jagger and Sak. Oh, yung magkakaibigan na yun, nakasama sila sa Sapsasa. Ang galing nga eh. Iba-ibang school. Well, si Brock siya si Mitch pareho kay Sak. Tapos si Max and Jagger, magkaibang school. Pero nakasama sila, 'di ba? Kaya masaya ang mga boys. Kasi sa 18 na na napili, silang 5 napili sila, 'di ba? So, yun lang, na-share ko lang. And yung ginawa ko ulit sa buhok ko, ganyan ulit. Napaka-slick ng aking tali na naman ng buhok. Mas gusto ko na to kaysa yung marami kong nakikita na parang mga baby hair. And si Holly gusto niya rin to. Yan nga lang, siya, hindi siya ganun kadali gawin. Well, para sa akin. Kasi talaga ilang beses ko siya tinatanggal bago ko siya magawang ganyang kanit. Okay, tapusin ko na ito. Magdadala rin ako ng mandarin and yung ating grapes. Nilabas ko na din. Para may fruits din yung mga bata. Hindi kasi ako nakakuha ng pineapple. Well, hindi ko nakita yung pineapple dun sa sa Aldi. Yun ang problema ko, guys. Pag hindi ko kilala yung area kung saan ako nagsha-shopping, marami din akong hindi nakukuha. Kasi nga, hindi natin yung territory. Calls yung territory natin sa pag-grocery. Okay, tapos malapit na matapos. Tapos na akong gumawa ng sandwich. Ngayon, binabalatan ko tong mandarin na. Mahirap siyang balatan compared doon sa mga... Yung mandarin na pinakita ko sa inyo, nabigay sa amin ng ni Jan. Yung nag-charter kay Jan. Tingnan nyo. Matigas yung kanyang balat. So, ito na lang. At saka yung grapes. Saka yung ating... Ito. Dadala tayo ng dip. Ito mga dips. Mga dips. Madami siya. May sour cream and yung French onion. And ito, kuha lang ako ng kalahati. So, yan na lang. And alis na. Alis na tayo. Anong oras na? Wala pa namang 9, 9:13. 9:13. 10:10 yung start eh. Okay, tapos meron ako ditong lalagyan. Same last year, ito rin yung gamit ko nung nag-cheese platter kami. Wala lang tayong kebab or yung twiggy. Yun ang wala. Yung salami na lang na ginamit ko sa sandwich ng mga boys. So, na yung baon na dadalhin natin. And yung salami hinati kong ganyang kaliit. And yung cheese na gamit ko dito ay yung square. Hinati ko lang din, tapos kapalan na lang nila ang pagkuha. Kasi yan lang yung meron tayong cheddar cheese. And yung ating mandarin, hindi to magugustuhan kasi meron siyang buto, guys. Tapos yung brie, hinati ko din na ganyang kalit para madali lang din sa kanilang kainin. And ayan yung jats. And meron akong sourdough crackers. And may dala rin akong tuna. And yung ating fruits, ayan lang. Wala tayo ngayong strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries. So, hopefully makapunta kami ng Coles mamaya para makapag-grocery ulit ako ng mga fruits. So, yan guys yung ating dadalhin. So, ilagay ko na to sa bag. So, dito natin lalagay yung ating mga baon. So, unahin natin ito. Para tayong magpipiknik. Natin to dyan. Yung ating crackers. Eto guys, malaki to compared dun sa nabibili natin na jacks. First time natin makabiling ganyang kalaki. O, diba? Organize. Oops. Yung ating tuna. Oops, sorry. Yung tuna. Ito ibalot ko. Magbigay tayo ng patay na. Ano yun? May nahulog ba? Wala na rin kaming ganito pala. Pero meron yan dyan sa somewhere dito sa ilalim ng ating sink. So, ayan yung baon natin. And chips. Meron tayong dadahin na chips. Ayan. Dito. Nasaan yung chips? Chips. Ito pala yun. puno. Okay na to. Punta na tayo doon. Dito na ako, guys. Ayan. Maya-maya mag-start na sila sa yung oval na paglalaroan ni sa behind. Good luck. Did you put bandage? Straps? Who did that? Daddy? Yeah. You want water? I got water here. So, kasi before si Kuya naglaro doon, yung first niya. Ngayon, first time natin na manunod dito yung laro. Merong pa live video doon. Nandun si Kuya. Ito yung unang laro dito. Next sila Zach. So, mas maaga sila. Mga 9 o'clock ata sila. Ayan na sila. Good luck. Ayan na si Mitch. Si Brock. Si Jan humingi na. Diba sabi niya, wag ko siyang gawin. Ayan, kumakain na siya. Siya yung una kong customer. And nagdala ko ng mga inumin. Ayan, may dalawa tayong Coke. And meron din tayong fruit box and water. Next na sila. Good luck, boys. Good luck. Sila na yung next. Good luck, Zach. See ya. Love you too. Ayan si Kuya. Kumuha na rin siya ng sandwich. Yung rolls. Yung Turkish roll. Buti na lang, sobra-sobra yung ginawa ko. Si Kuya, ayun na yung sandwich. Si Jan, pangalawa niya na. Eto kay Zach. And mayroon pa dyan na isa kay Holly. Ayan ang ating team. Number 8 si Zach.
Alright. There's a spare chair, or you can sit on that one. You two could both fit on that one. Number 8.
Good tackle, Zach. Good job, Zach. Go, 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 go. Oh.
Back.
Spread together. Where's Connor?
Is he right?
Go, Brock.
Good job, Brock.
Connor, other side. No, Connor, no. No. Other side. Archie, other side. Zach, no. No. Everything we took, so find a player, back line.
Come on, come on. Good job. Go, go, go. Wait. No, Maze. Oh. Good job, Zach. Go, Zach. Yeah. Good job. Go, go, go. Go, Jag. Good job, Jagger. Go, Dali. Kick. Go, Zach.
Yeah, Zach.
Good job, Zach. Yes, go.
Good job.
Go, Job. Good job. Go, go. Oh. Good job. Second quarter na, guys. Lamang yung isang team ng konti lang. See that, huh? Zach and that guy. I know, look, look. I know. Go, Zach.
Good job, boys.
Yeah, Zach! Oh my God, Zach. You're right. Tapos na guys. Hindi pa namin alam kung sino nalo. Kasi ang ganda ng laban. 2 quarters lang sila. Hindi tulad dun sa regular na 4 quarters. This time 2 quarters for 20 minutes each quarter. Alis na si Jan. Kasi may appointment pa siya.
Thanks, China.
No worries.
Oh, it's just over there.
Lagyan ko ulit si Sa kasi natanggal na yung
But
strap
we've got to
niya.
go in and so
Talo silang 7
then
points.
we might just drive in and up.
Ayan, si Kuya, hinintay lang namin na makuha niya yung deep heat. Okay. Thank you. I'll put it... Yeah, okay. Ako maglalagay kasi walang tubig dito. Hindi siya makapaghugas ng kamay. Okay, come on. We have to let it dry first. We're coping okay. We're not sitting around while it's drying. So we're only going to get half time. We're only going to a little bit. First August, the kids are all flying up. So we've put them into, we'll let them dry and then into the skins. So there's a big one that they're putting up. Ito na yung second game. Second game. Nakakalito kasi yung uniform nila halos the same. Sa atin yung stripe sa baba. Good job. Go, go, Mitch. Sa hindi na natin nalagyan ng straps kasi nung nilagyan ko siya ng cream, tinawag na sila. Eh, nakikita ko parang inaano niya yung arm niya. Oh. Good job, Zach. Go. Oh! Go, 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 Tala! Come on, come on! Oh! Go, Zach! Go! Ball! Ang tatlong sack dito, guys. Sa team nila, Zachary. Sack! Good job, Sack! Di ko nakuha. Ang ganda ng pagkamark ni Sack. Good job!
Go again, Zach. Go again, Zach.
Oh! Good job, Sack! Good job, Sack! Good job. Second,
Zach, push back.
second, ano niya, mark. Ang ganda ng pagkamark niya. Good job! Bro!
Go, bro. Kick the goal, mate.
Good job. Usda! Yes! Good job! Go, Zach! Go, go! Good job! Good job. Go, Zach! Good job, Zachary! Nakagaw na si Zach. Good job, Zach. Hindi ko alam kung nakita nyo. Parang yung sky yung nakita nyo, guys. Okay, second quarter. Game 2, second quarter. Kick! Oh my God. Go, Zach! Go, Zach! I know! Good job!
Go, Jag. Go, Jag. Help him, Brock. Help him, Brock.
Good, Brock!
Go again, Brocky. You got him.
Go, 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 go! Go, go! Good work. Go, Sak! Drop. Good job, Saki. Good job, Jag. Go, Jag. Go. Go, bro. Oh. Go, 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 go. Yeah, go, Sak. Good tackling, Zachary. Go, go, kick it. Oh my God. Tackle, tackle, tackle. Come on, come on. Alright, go, Sak.
Zach, Zach.
Good job, Sak. Oh shit, di natin nakunan. Not mark ni Sak. Oh. Go, Zachary. Oh. Go, Sak.
Brock. Push it this way. Nixie, push it this way. He went looking for that. He was looking for the last
Ang ganda ng laro. Good job.
Zach, 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 Zach. Talk, talk.
Good job, Sak.
Bad luck, don't worry about it. Next one.
Good job, Sak. Okay, second quarter. Game 2, second quarter. Kick! Oh my God. Panalo sila. Dito na si Sak. Tinitingnan niya yung mga kuha ko. Ano si Sak? Mag cheese platter. Where have you been, yeah?
At the bench.
At the bench. Well done.
Well, can't like
Time is, anong oras na?
if the S is in color.
12:26 na guys. Ang next game ni Sak is 2 o'clock. Here, I got cheese, Sak. And here's the salami here. Yan na lang natira sa salami kasi si Holly kumain din. Ano yung baba? Magtuna tayo guys. Nubos niya na yung salami and cheese na binigay ko. Meron pa tayong cheese dyan.
Mom, what
Ayan.
else is inside the egg?
What else? I got sandwich. You don't like sandwich? Yeah, you can finish that cheese if you want. I got grapes. You want grapes? Orange? Alright. Sarap ng tuna natin. Ito yung lemon. You're done? Okay. Hindi pa. Kinuha na. There is. What's that? Lagyan ko ulit si Sak nitong deep heat dun sa kanyang injured na arm. Huh? Can I hold this one? Oh, hold this. Try lang natin. Hopefully, this time, malagyan ko siya ng straps. May 1 hour pa naman, so... Oh no, that's enough. Mag-start na yung third game nila sa and si Jan, kararating-rating lang din, nandun siya. Hindi ko lang kung makikita nyo, but yan, nandun siya. So, this is the last game for today. So, good luck, Sak. Okay, third game.
Where's your player? You two.
Go, Saki. Go, Sak! Oh. Oh my God, okay. Good job.
Lead up.
Oh. Oh, come on. Go, Sak! Tapos na yung first quarter, guys. Ito na yung second. Leading yung ating kalaban.
Line, Zach, so long to Liam. Yeah, go long. Make a contest, Ollie. Make a contest, Ollie. Well done.
Good job.
Here we go. Now build a wall, Liam. Build a wall here. Here on the flank.
Go, Sak!
Coming back.
Ang daming Sak.
Get your name on it, Liam. Oh, well done, Zach. Know where he is.
Come on, keep running. Go, Brock! Go, Sak! Go! Kick it, Sak! Good job, Zachary. Guys, papunta kami
That
ng...
means I get two
We're not
shoes.
going to get across here for ages.
Papunta kami ng...
That means I get two shoes.
Hamilton. Punta kami ng... What you call this? Victor Harbor. Ano? Harbor Town. Wala ko ng Harbor Town. Because of what?
I'm getting you shoes.
Yeah, bilan siya ng daddy niya ng shoes.
Because, guys, I wear these shoes, my toes are up to the end.
Yeah, so bibilan siya ng daddy.
I walk.
Kaya bibilan siya ni daddy. And what did you do to daddy last night?
Massage him, and now I need to earn him another one.
Minasal siya si daddy niya. Yun ang hiling niya. Dad, can you buy me a new shoes? Kaya bibilan siya ni daddy. Oh, you're just on time, ha? Kasi mag-yellow na agad yung mag-stop na ulit yung light. Harborton. Okay, dito na tayo, guys. Dito tayo sa Nike. Her Nike. Ayan.
My shoes, guys, and these are the ones I got. They run very wide. See, guys?
Why? Nagmamadali na siya, oh. Kasi pupunta pa tayo ng bounce.
Because, guys, I have tons of black shoes.
Yeah, may black na kasi siya.
At 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock,
5.
we go to bounce.
Yep. So, nanisak yung kanyang in-order na jumper na Sapsasa. Patingin, Australian Football 2024. Zach. And may dala siyang sapatos yung binili ko sa kanya kahapon. Tapos naka-crocs. Mamayang dinner daw magsasapatos siya. Papuntang bounce mag-crocs. Iba din siya. Oh. Dalawa talagang dadalhin niya pa.
Socks, TJ don't have zip.
Guys, dito na pala kami nakapark sa kung saan kami magdi-dinner. Mamaya, Rex Hotel. Tapos, yung bounce, ayan lang. Ayan, so malapit lang. Kaya nag-park na kami dito sa kung saan kami kakain mamaya. And the kids, hoy, where are you going? Bounce here.
Oh, yes, where you go?
Alright. Dito na yung bounce. Ayan na, guys. Tapos doon lang tayo nakapark. Dito na yung bounce. Ayan na pala, suit niya na yung bago niyang sapatos. May allowance na yan ng konti lang. Kasi ang bilis lumaki ng paa niya. Actually, silang lahat. Bilis lumaki ng mga paa ng mga batang to. Compare nung kabataan ko. Ako, isang sapatos, 2 taon ko na yon. Dito tayo. Kinukuha na nila yung socks nila. Ando na yung mga bata. Mag-start na sila. Magba-bounce-bounce dyan.
It's alright, it feels hard.
No, I was just saying that they were here. Well, they got in. They found that they were close.
No, this isn't. You must have took us to Latitude because I went on their high things. Last game
Yeah. Kay Kuya. Yeah!
Ben, all this?
Tapos na dito sa bounce. Punta na tayo ng pub. So, dito tayo magdi-dinner. Rex Hotel. Oh, nice and warm here. Oh. Drink. Raspberry. Isang ano, ganyan. Jug. Ito yung drink natin. Lemon bitter. Dito na yung garlic bread. Meron garlic bread. You want garlic bread, Baba? Here's your chicken tenders. Yan kay Holly. You like that? Chicken spicy kay Zach. Si Kuya pala nagpasta siya. Yung amin, wala pa yung order namin ni John. How was it, Zach? Huh? Very hot? Look, can you go wash your hands? Look. Look at your hands. Oh no, this is mine. Yeah, it's alright. This is mine.
I'm totally deaf, not half deaf, John.
What's all of everything?
Start
Ayan. Guys, we are back in the caravan na. Anong oras na ba? 8:30? 8:19. So, end ko na yung vlog, guys. Yun na yung vlog natin. Thank you. Good luck bukas kay Sak. Bukas 11 yung start ng first game niya.
Mama,
Yep.
I need to put these back on.
Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you. Come on. Say good night now. Good night now.
3,
Uy.
4. Where's the other one?
Tinanggal niya to sa kanyang Crocs. So, ngayon naman, gusto niya naman ibalik ko. So, come on, close the vlog now, Sak.
Thank you. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe, and see you on the next one.
Again?
Please like, please subscribe. If you haven't yet, see you on the next one. Bye.
Zach,
Good night, guys.
close.
Because I